Mala kurun wangawen Chibron Bol Kanad International Radio America. Raja ga yakatong nat katong ne ni tinat ka janta bangwana me guru go te ka tibaladye tibia liang dien bia janok antama bia rodun falfin. Kaga na wala batuk daro baka use ko a invitation na watine a invitation mugor kondial kon naide la shalka Southern Sudanese tin ngaje puju wo twoka jagwade. Is facial kon sang nene dial tin kontin la 6 to 4 tribe tin ngai ka je puji thoki ja gwade ngai ka ne swela mai wo me hi gente ke yu maraido kan ti dial ta lat ka kajinu Sudan awo ku yi ka correct an jano mlono wala a chanka jandang ra widara ka payan dio dio won kin dang ra wida wal badak men dong de la yen nuor dial ka United States wana me cha kon invited ko wo kon banne bana wo nyur gwa ke la the nuori as the Genovine ko wo bana dunga de dak e cha kum ga je kume jalla ka sejin ka liya ka kai kama shi ga de dak lado sama ki nuor community leadership ke lu ka United States she information ka kar yalaka she kon invited wo bana discussion ka kwide na me bana wo yalaka kachi kon bi nyur ko rodan kon nuore bana nyur ko Genovine to koken tin kwa SPL mai wo ku kana support especially ka kan tana ka 64 tribe dial tin ko no to ka SPL mai wo shaka invited a nuor community re United States waname and wo biga ben ko ma ha ko 131 ka paya diodian me which is next week ka bana discussion wo angu bana lelo as the citizen as the fellow citizen along with the Gadedak. We are invited, all of you, the Southern Sudanese 64 tribes that are living in the United States of America, as well as the supporter of the SPLMIO. We have to come together to discuss the issue of the conviction of Gadedak to death by the government, by the deadly regime in Juba. Gadedak was sent to death for no crime that he committed. He does not committed any crime. But just because he's the spokesperson of the Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, he was captured in his home back in 2016 by the month of November. He was in jail for this period of long time until he been convicted last 3 months ago to death for no reason. But only Juba government that convicted Gadedak for no reason. No crime him is committed. But the N.I.R.A community development services in the United States under the leadership of Mr. Guy Chokshot invited you all Southern Sudanese tribes, 64 tribes that are living in this country, to come and attend this event to discuss the issue of which way we could handle this or which way we could make it work or what we shall do to make the life of Gadedak free instead of being miserable in that Congo court that we heard convicted him for the crime he did not commit it. Please take your time off at work on the Saturday of March 31st to come to Omaha, Nebraska and attend this event. This event will take place at 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. I mean all Southern Sudanese 64 tribes that are support the human right of what is taking place in Southern Sudan is not right by the government who killing his own citizen. And those are invited as well are the member of the SPLMIO in 64 tribes. We have to come together and discuss this issue. Which way we could channel it and which way we could cooperate with our government here in the United States of America or elsewhere we're living. Please take this invitation as a serious matter. Your input, your word, your talk, your way of putting things together is needed because this is a serious matter for our young brother and journalist, James Gadedak. Okay? Kana guru ba lari yaka to yen nuore yen kana Genovine dialo kokien. Wo kon wana ka invitation na cha kam kon nuor community mo ka changa jandang dio widokel widokel ka paidok ka Omaha Nebraska ka chaleng ba luak nan le wood la chale two ton ka da paltin wa jen luak en vi event ba latin. Milunu yen nuor dial ara mo ka time off. lobby your ideas men gwiji dong de gwa ande kon long nin me de no conviction me overturn ke je dunga de dak ngud bana lado wana tin kondial ramanga je jirana fele mayu ku meidu meteranga du ajang atat ko job ngu ka ngi ye junuvin mengi puji wona ne irana fele mayu ku invited awo abe ka jeni vena balel kontad wano ma cha control to N.I.R.A community development services under the leadership of honorable Guy Shok enjeno ante ka war kang mi chela nen mi chala gorar wun mala shwale lar jok diri war ka kula gor kan gora nan gan ma diri kuji wona ne yen me dala na ya jog god toto tradian ke lol nya kiero taban de ngai ni ka shur ka miet ka lei ka kunduri ka tilla shwal ke lei lo kona shwale lei duara nan mela na da chama shwale ber ha ke lei duar ka lei duar la kana guru wo biya ka lokke dungi na lel kana michi ko kuto ye yo shi ko lok a ko gwa la kan lel wa jiram kan ma de le bon ye chota ne lo nya kire te ga ti je ga let ga yi la ya log ka na ma ga bai ben joira ta to de yen ku ji ngwa ka je ka na wal ku ye le bon ye da la va o na chi ngwa dal je tama ba ye ku la ngadri e she manu ku no ko ken te ngat ke ye de yen to walat but we yen man metel nian metene yen galel karwa mi wala lol ye kera taban we yen ga to pot ana ma ay u joira tel melel lel ge yeken gar ko yak mudi metede je ga bayde ko tel medene lal kon bron ajen wo lol ye kera taban de ga kan shurdial tor ko ni rani taban de ga ni ni chalu ye ga ko diang shurdial luin mi leidwar ka leidwar ga ko gur ken wo kare kala tikala kaya ko hi lok fan hi ken ya lok jindere bu ya shoro na kumi jinu me daga fa wa yungo da lelen lon yake wa ye jackson ko le yene jang ni chang abe yene bu mu ga dik ko ye wulul jega bagde ko mi cha la da chang adan ya dangal wallo dino na me ya ko face ga yen hagan shi brown ball kanadun international radio america here in USA